Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So we have two ways how we can do that. The first one, we should launch the settings application, and after that just tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Now just unmute our device ringtone, we should swipe to the right side with our finger, this dot. Also have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, and after that tap here on the settings icon. Now you'll see here the same ringtone volume panel. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, swipe to the right side with your finger, this dot, and to save the changes click here to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.